In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Zoho. By the end, you'll have a live Zoho form embedded right on your Wix website, ready to collect responses without sending visitors off to another page. All you need is an existing form in Zoho Forms and access to edit your Wix site. I'll guide you through copying the correct link from Zoho and embedding it neatly in Wix, along with a few practical tips so it looks great on your page. Start in your Zoho Forms account on the home page where all your forms are listed. Find the form you want to add to your Wix site. Hover your cursor over that form to reveal extra options that might not show at first glance. From there, click Quick Share to open up sharing choices for this specific form. In the Quick Share panel, look for an option labeled More Share Options and click it. This takes you to the full sharing view, which includes different ways to share your form, like links and embed options. In the sharing view, locate the section called Form Permalink. This is the dedicated, stable URL for your form, the link people can use to access it directly. Click on the permalink field to highlight it, then copy the link to your clipboard. This is the exact link you'll use inside Wix, so make sure you've copied it cleanly with no extra spaces. A quick note here. The way your form is set to be shared in Zoho will affect how it behaves on your website. If your form is set to public, anyone can fill it in. If it's restricted or requires sign-in, your site visitors may be asked to log in before submitting. Ensure those settings match your intent. Now switch over to your Wix site editor. Open the site you want to update and head to the page where the form should appear. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button, typically found on the left sidebar. Click Add to open Wix's content options. Use the search bar within the Add panel and type Embed Site. Wix provides a few embed tools, and the one we want is the simplest. Embed a site. Click that option to drop an embeddable frame onto your page. With the embed element selected, you'll see a field for a link or URL. Click into that link field and paste the Zoho form permalink you copied earlier. Once it's in place, click Apply. Wix will load your Zoho form right inside the page. Give it a moment to render. You should see your form's fields and buttons appear just as they do on Zoho. Next, click on the embedded form area to adjust its size. Drag the edges or corners to resize it so the entire form is visible and comfortable to use, without unnecessary scrolling. Aim for a clean fit that leaves a little breathing room around the form so it doesn't feel cramped. If your form is long, make the frame tall enough to avoid cutting off important sections. Keep an eye on alignment too. Center it or snap it to your page's grid so it matches your site's layout. If your site has a mobile layout, remember that you can switch to the mobile view in the Wix editor later to ensure the form scales well on smaller screens. When everything looks right, click Publish in the Wix editor to push your changes live. Publishing makes your embedded Zoho form available to your visitors on the page you chose. That's it. You've taken the permalink from Zoho Forms, embedded it in Wix using the Embed a Site tool, resized it for a clean fit, and made it live. If you ever update the form in Zoho, those changes will reflect automatically on your site since you're using the direct link.